Sublimation ink. Machine is fully electric-driven, easy to operate. Suitable for oil, ink and other water-type liquids. Filling speed and filling time is adjustable. Filling speed setting is numbered from 1 to 99. Filling in a low speed number setting is 10 on the control panel. Filling in a faster speed number setting is 30 on the control panel. Filling time setting can be set by minute or by second. Machine filling system can be used different capacity magnetic pump. 2 liters per minute, 5 liters per minute, 15 liters per minute, etc. This design semi-automatic model can be equipped with 1 filling nozzle, 2 filling nozzles and 4 filling nozzles.